we found an impossible climb.
This is actually crazy. So yesterday my dad and the Nik found some new features. Now we're going to check them out. Nik showed me a video and they look mental.
Yesterday.
Wow, al foot. Ciao.
Bye bye.
Ciao. Guys, we found an impossible climb. No, Paolo?
Impossible. And zio porco.
Up here, little stair. Here there was a stair, but then there's that. Now let's see what if we manage to go at least halfway up. Ah! Vacarata! That's it, guys, we failed this impossible climb, but we're going to come back stronger than ever and with a crash dummy, which is Tardo Boy.
Here we go, this is the place. Oh. Ma che cacchio è? Oh, ma è mega in piedi. Okay, so this was the feature. It's super steep. I don't know if the GoPro shows the steepness. Let me try again. It's going up only because of the brand new rear tire. Oh, this is actually crazy. But wow.
Guarda, sono andato, ma si fermo.
Oh, ma quanto va su?
Non so, sto vedendo una figata.
Raffa fatica. Non finisce più. Là è la vetta. We reached the top, but it's the wrong top. Maybe we're not wrong. There's a trail. Maybe we did it. No.